Welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. I got the big block Chevy block here all cleaned up, and the main bearings back in it. I also got the crank up here. I'm going to wipe it down, blow it out, and then put it back in the block, and then hopefully we get them rods and pistons back in there, you know, in the next day or two. All right, so I got the crank set in the motor, or the block, and I got all the hardware back on there. I was just checking the thrust as it is not torqued yet to see what we have, and then I'm going to torque, and then I'll check the thrust again and see if it's the same measurement. So we're going to go ahead and get torquing. Crank in the block, we got it torqued. Gonna check it here in a second and go over it. Got our thrust checked and it checks out. And now well, we got some rods and pistons we should slap in there and see if they clearance the block, or they clear the block. So here in a little while I'll check the torque on that again to see if well, none of them loosened up. I don't think they will, but I always like to double check a few minutes later. All right, y'all, we got 4 rods and pistons in, and they clear. So that is fantastic news. They aren't torqued yet, but the rod caps and rod bolts are just, you know, hand tight. Once I get them all in, I'm going to go back and then torque them all. All right, so we got 4 rods and pistons in. Now, these are the 4 that I got hung up on and realized that they were hitting the block. So the rod cap right here was hitting the block, and then the rod bolt right here was hitting the block. So we're gonna spin the crank around, and I'll show you guys. Let's say, look at that. Let's say this side rod cap right here was hitting right here. So we clearance that up. It looks really good. This rod bolt right here was hitting, and it doesn't hit anymore. So that is fantastic news. And then these 2 over here, these guys was bingo. And as I bring her back around town, this guy over here, woo-wee. I must say it looks a little tight right there, but it's got plenty of, it's pretty good. Over here, we're gonna do these other 4 and see how it turns out. All right, so we got this short block together, and I got the camshaft out, and I'm about to lay some assembly lube on it and slide it on in. World's best boss. Oh, this isn't even the... Hold on, turn this off. This is some bullshit. Up. Off. It's just brewing just some very watered down coffee because I didn't put a K-cup in that thing. Man, brewing up world's best boss, world's most worst boss ever. Daisy's just mad that I won't let her go outside because it's below freezing temperatures. I'm like, girl, no. You could literally just stay right under here. You want your bed over there? I know it was better and more cozy for you. You could lay right next to the Big Chief cylinder head. I know you like laying on your head on. She lays her head like right here, and it's always so cute. Hey, little Daisy's a little sharp dog. You like Big Chief heads? Yeah, you like big old nitrous motors, and yeah, you're my nitrous gal. You're my nitrous doggy, yeah. That'll do it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Check out virtualspeedperformance.com for your new and used race car parts and CNC services. See you next time.